everybody, and welcome. Today we are going to be speaking specifically about massaging our upper legs today. And on this channel, as you know, we talk all about self-care for active women. So stick around if you want to learn more about how to massage your upper leg, especially after hard runs or in between those sessions. Those fitness sessions. So all you'll need today is either some sort of a massage oil or a lotion if you don't have it, just to give you a bit of fluidity in some of the actions and the movements that we're going to be doing to massage the legs. And we're going to try and do it in about 5 or 6 minutes. We'll see how we get on. I want to make sure we give ourselves that quick self-care hit that we need on a daily basis if we're active women. So go get yourself that lotion or massage oil, and I'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got, it's an organic massage oil. It's by Neal's Yard. It's unfragranced. It's probably just a bunch of baby oil, but what I'm going to be doing is, and so that's what I'm saying. It's just get something that works for you. This is what I have in the cupboard. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we're going to do a bit on the under thigh and a bit on top. So give yourself a little bit. If you have oil, it's probably going to go a long way. So just a little dollop, rub it into those hands and relax the leg. And we're going to start on one side, just rubbing in the top of the leg to warm the muscles up. And I actually need a little bit more. Help yourself if you find you need a bit more. And come down the sides as well. Trying to use, I guess, mostly the fingertips to push in a little bit, warm up those muscles. Gosh, I need some more. Obviously, I'm not going very far. Oh, well, okay, I think this will do the job now. All right, great. So the first thing, there's a couple of different things. There's massaging by rubbing, and then there's also trigger point or pressure release massage. So we'll do a bit of both today. So let's go ahead and rub upwards as well. Rubbing upwards is also good for the skin and also your heart, to get the blood flowing up towards your heart. Right. So what we're going to start by doing is some pulling up. If you kind of grab the side and pull up. I learned this from some of the great physios online, and they're just showing all these different great techniques on how to really get in there, and this pulling up one was one of them. And one more all the way down. And then we're going to go on the other side and do the pulling up motion. And one more time from the top. I can really feel the tightness. I did a run this morning. I can really feel the tightness, especially up top near the knee. Okay, great. And then come back up. You'll find if you take your hand, palm 1, 2, and push in with your thumb right underneath, that's one of the main release trigger points under there. And we can try and push down on that a little bit until we feel a bit of a relax or a release. Great. And now go ahead and release that. And if you can come underneath as well. So what you want to do is you want to push up under, and you can see that quite well there. You want to push up right underneath the muscle for a release. And one more time down. And great, let go. Go ahead and just do some light rubbing to finish off on the one side. Or sorry, put a bit more pressure. And you'll find that kind of stroking with your thumbs like this is a really good way of like a back and forth motion. And it'll be really great around the knee area. Fantastic. And I think what you'll find as well is that doing self-massage, your own arms and shoulders yourself get really, really tight yourself. So you might have to do a few shoulder rolls before we dive into the other side. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the other side. Don't forget to put that oil on. And like we said, we'll start by, again, loosening the muscle. So stroking upwards. And if you need a bit more, add a bit more. Kind of with the side of the hands, that really helps. Okay. When you got that muscle nice and warmed up, we'll go ahead and do a bit of the pulling up. And you can see on my leg, almost where that shelf is. Can you see where I push in? So that's where you want to be pushing and pulling up from. Trying again to relax the muscles as you do it. And then the other side. And again, right here, right about here is where it's really sore on the inside. So make sure to you can get that. Pay a little bit of extra tension there. I have it myself, so I'm just going to put a bit of light pressure on there in hopes to release it a bit. Great, and then if we do the palm from the top of the knee, up, down, and put your thumb right behind it, that's going to be our pressure release area. So try and dig your thumb in there a little bit. See if you can find where to get it to release. Fantastic. And then we want to come on the underside like we did before and push right up in the bottom of that hamstring muscle. Okay. Great job. And then if we can do some final light rubbing, a little bit more pressure. Brilliant. And there there you have it. 2 very happy, relaxed, and massaged legs. Ooh, oh, all over the place. So I hope you enjoyed that massage today. If you like what you've seen here, let me be your accountability partner for other self-care that needs to get done. We need to look after ourselves on a day-to-day basis. So just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and you can find loads of other videos on my channel about how to self-care in short periods of time for women who are active, who are runners, who are into their fitness, because we need to look after our bodies long term. So I hope you're great, and I'll see you in the next video.